what? People always say Hello Kitty doesn't have a mouth, but here on Sketchy, things are totally different. Look at my adorable cat smile. Cute, right? Let me show you how to draw me step by step. Sketchy! First, right at the top, draw a small circle for the center of my iconic bow. Now, draw 2 little knots on each side of the circle and add 2 big soft wings to complete my iconic bow. Super cute! From right behind my bow, draw a cute pointed ear, slide across the top for my head, add the left ear, and bring the line all the way down to wrap up my big round face. Now for the magic! Draw 2 big shiny circles for my anime eyes. Three cute whiskers on each cheek, and ta-da! My sweet cat smile right in the middle! Isn't it adorable? Now for my little outfit. Draw 2 simple lines coming down from my head to shape my body, and add a sweet curved line right under my chin for my shirt collar. Looking so stylish! Time to wave! Stretch one arm up on the right side with a chubby little hand, and add my other arm on the left. Now I'm officially waving hello to all of you. Last touch for line art. Draw 2 cute short feet right at the bottom and add tiny sparkling highlights inside my eyes. Yay, we did it! Line art complete and ready for colors. If you love drawing cute Sanrio characters with me, tap that subscribe button on Sketchy so we can draw together every week! Time for my favorite color! Grab your sweetest pink or bright red marker and fill in my iconic bow and cute little outfit. Looking so vibrant already! Let's add some warmth. Add a soft pink blush right under my eyes, and a little bit of soft shading under my bow and outfit to make the drawing pop. Now let's build my magical world. Draw soft, fluffy cloud shapes all around me at the bottom. Color them with a light, dreamy sky blue outline. For the ultimate kawaii vibe, scatter tiny stars and bright sparkles around the background. And ta-da! Our adorable Hello Kitty masterpiece is complete! You did an amazing job! If you enjoyed making this cute artwork with me, click the video on your screen right now to draw Kuromi next. See you there! Join us, subscribe! Let's grow this happy world together!